Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching us how to make this simple and beautiful turban base. And the material I'll be using is raw silk. As you can see here, I've already cut out my material, and the measurement on the stretchy side is 27, and you can see it's on full. That's the stretchy side. It's 27 by 13. 27 by 13. You can see it's on full. So if you flip that side open, it's going to be 26. So 27 on the stretchy side by 13. That is for the body of our turban. I'll set that aside. So this is our band. I'll be making two-step round band. Two-step round band. I've already cut out the measurement. One is both lengths are the same thing, but one is wider than the other. For the smaller one, it measures 4 by 27, and for this big one measures 5 by 27. You can increase it if you want the spacing to be much. You can make yours 3.5 by 27 or 6 by 27. But what I have here is what I'm telling you. So what you are going to be doing now is to put the smaller band on top of the big one, fold it like this. We'll take it to our sewing machine and just sew. Most of us are very familiar with this, so you can do this with the help of your pin so that it won't move from one place to the other. You can see what just happened here. So just use your pin. I've done that off camera, and this is what we have. So I'll be taking it to my sewing machine right now, and I'll be sewing on 1/2 inch down. So after sewing, we'll bring it back to the body of the turban that I already told you about. So what we are going to be doing is we'll flip it open like this. For this material, it doesn't have the right or wrong side. Both sides are fine for me to use. So if you are using a material that has a wrong side, please ensure that the wrong side is outside and the nice side is inside like this. So what you are going to be doing is just place it inside like this, ensuring that the step side is facing you. This one, I'm not notching any midpoint because both the band and the body of the turban, they are the same length. Just ensure that they are well positioned. You can also pin this down. You can pin it down all through and then take to your sewing machine and sew. So take to your sewing machine and sew down on 1/2 inch. Leave both sides. Don't sew both sides. Leave it open because that is where we are going to be turning it out from. So the pieces we have here is for our belt. I always ensure that my turban base has belts, yes, for fitness. So here I cut out 4 inches by 15, and the stretchy side is the width, while the length is the non-stretchy side. I always do this for firmness. You can see the stretchy side is the width and the length is the non-stretchy side. Just fold it into two like this. And sew it just like that, or you can use that slant belt pattern. So it, don't sew the other end because we are going to be turning it out from that side. We are going to repeat the same thing for the two. As you can see here, I'm done sewing, and this is the outcome of our turban base. You can see how beautiful and neat this is. Please ensure you use your pin if your hand is not stable or straight enough. You can see. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is to fold it into 2 equal parts on the wrong side. On the wrong side. Then I'll be taking my tape rule to measure 11.5. The reason why I do this, I don't always do my turban to be a perfect head size. because of the kind, we have different heads, head size that will wear it. And I'll put my belt for perfect fitting. So I'll sew down on 11.5, cut off the excess, then weave it. After that, I'll turn it out. I'm just trying to explain to you here because I'm going to be doing the sewing off camera. So after we are done sewing here, for instance, I will, from that point, from the sewing point at the back, they measure 3 inches apart and attach your belt. Measure 3 inches apart and attach your belt. Attach your belt this way. Please ensure that your stitches is very firm. You know it's belt, so that when we are tying every time, it won't just suddenly cut off. So you do the same thing for the other side. As you can see, our turban is ready. Isn't this beautiful? Thanks for watching. Bye.